Hey YouTube. Today I am parked at a day use area and I am going for a hike. And along my path here today I'm going to be stopping at a restroom showering facility here. Just showing you some of the ways that you can incorporate, for example, showering into your full-time living in a truck camper. So there's many options out there if you're willing to. In this case, I'm going to be getting some exercise and then also getting a shower that will be free. It's a public restroom / shower. So there's lots of these available, such as in state parks. That are widely available that you can use. And I think as long as you're doing it occasionally and not every day and taking advantage of the wonderful public systems we have here in our country, I don't really see much of an issue with it. Just as long as you left it better than how you found it. That's my philosophy. What I like to call this approach is utilizing your resources. So when you come into a town or a city, I like to go out on foot and explore and scout and see what's available to me. And it's also good for your knowledge database so that you understand and you know where things are. And speaking of the context of survivalist skills, that's personally, I think, one of the best survival skills is just getting out there on foot and having knowledge of your surroundings and your awareness of where you are, what's available to you, water, picnic shelters, finding places where you can find shelter. Also a place where you can start a fire. That's all excellent knowledge for you. And here's an example of a showering facility. Thanks for watching.